to Mary Moppet's Guild, a STEAM learning lab. We already know that some objects will float in water and some will not. Do you know why that is? The floatable objects experiment is to explore which objects will float in water and which will sink. The materials needed for this are a large container for holding water, lots of small objects of different size and materials like leaf, styrofoam piece, plastic ball, straws, matchstick, bottle cap, marble, key, coin, buttons, pebbles, thermocol balls, paper, feather, cotton ball, then a worksheet and pencil. First, write the names of all the objects onto the worksheet. Make a prediction for each object as to whether it will sink or float. Drop the objects one by one into the water. Observe what happens. Now I'm going to drop the leaf, pebble, the feather, cotton, paper, a few thermocol balls. Look at the observe and watch. Observe what happens. Then circle, float or sink onto the worksheet for each object to show the result of your experiment. We can see that some of the objects like the button, even though they seem light, they sank in the water, and some of the objects like matchstick and the plastic ball which seem heavy, they floated in the water. This is because whether an object floats or sinks in water doesn't just depend on the size and weight of the object. It depends also on the density of the object. Density is a measure of how solid something is. All substances are made up of very tiny particles called molecules. If the molecules in an object are very close to each other, then the object is solid or dense. If the molecules in an object are farther away from each other, then the object is less solid or less dense. We can see that an example of a very dense object is a coin. A cork is less dense. The key, the coin, and the button sank because the materials they are made up of, that is plastic in case of the button and metal in case of the coin and the key, have more density than water. That is, their molecules are closer together than the water molecules are. The wooden matchstick and the styrofoam piece float because those materials have less density than water. All the objects which are less dense than water floated in the water. Objects which are denser than water sank. Lastly, some of the objects like cotton, you can see the cotton, initially it floats, but as it absorbs water and few other materials like cotton, paper and the feather initially float, but as they absorb water, their density increases and they gradually sink. Gather few objects around your house and test whether these or those objects will float or sink. See you soon on the next session of Mary Moppet's Guild.